I wasn't gonna make this video, hence why the food is already in the pot. But I'm just gonna show you guys how to make some callaloo. So I'm like, why not? Might as well. As you can see, you have the sweet pepper, the yellow, red, orange, and green sweet pepper, and you have onion and the pot. So we're gonna let that saute down a little bit. I'm gonna add some garlic. Normally I would do fresh garlic, you guys, but like I said, I wasn't planning on doing this video, but I was like, why not? So I put like a whole tablespoon of garlic. I like garlic, you guys, so I put a lot of garlic into it. I'm gonna add some perfect seasoning. And so, as I told you guys before, I love the seasoning. I love me some perfect seasoning. You can use it on everything. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. It smells really good, you guys, and I haven't done anything yet. Gonna add some onion powder. I'm gonna add some allspice seasoning, and I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. Now you guys, you really don't need to do all of this. I'm just extra. Why I'm doing all of this. You don't really need to take all these steps. Your food will still come out really good. Your callaloo will still come out really good. I just means I'm not gonna put any salt fish in here, you guys. This is the reason why I just wanna add all that extra flavor and seasoning in there. And as you can see, I have my fresh veggies chopped very big because I want this to be a good portion, because I'm only using 1 can of callaloo in here. So guys, I would say make it Jamaican style, but Jamaican style we use fresh callaloo. We don't use callaloo out the can. And I'm not in Jamaica, so I gotta use what I got. So I use the callaloo in the can, you guys. So you guys, you're just gonna open the callaloo. You're gonna drain off. You're gonna drain some of the liquid off of it. Drain off most of the liquid, you guys. Most of the liquid off of it. And then you're just gonna add it into your pot. Gonna add that into your pot. I'm also adding, you guys, vegetable cubes into the pot. 2 vegetable cubes into the pot. A little bit of black pepper. Some red pepper flakes. There you have it, you guys. This is how you make steamed callaloo. I'm just gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes, not too long, because the callaloo was in the can, it's already cooked. So just to marinate all those flavors that are in here. And you notice, you guys, you didn't see me put any salt in the pot. It's because the seasoning, the cube seasoning, has salt. And I don't need the extra salt. Oh, that tastes so good. That tastes so yummy, you guys. And this is it, you guys. This is your steamed callaloo with veggies. Your steamed callaloo with fresh veggies, you guys. This is what it looks like. It is so good. This is what it looks like, you guys. It is so good. It is so yummy. I dare you to try this recipe, you guys. You're going to enjoy it very much. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.